So I want to talk about your rear tailgate toy hauler ramp door. And I want to express to you how important checking the sealants on this as well is. So you can see the sealant is just basically laying there. It's coming loose, right? Missing, all shadowed, coming loose, right? Completely missing, separated, hanging, coming loose, right? This needs to be cleaned and resealed. You can check on the sides of the door as well. You can see how it's flexed and it's expanded, contracted, and moved away from the molding. That's going to allow water to get back behind the door when you're washing it, when it's raining, if you're pressure washing it, if you're going through a truck wash, and it's going to cause damage to the actual wall and the floor itself. So make sure you're keeping up on the sealants on the body, and also check to make sure that none of the hardware is loose or damaged. You could also go back and lubricate that hinge, and then as well as use the slide out bulb seal treatments on the gaskets around the door and on the wall. Make sure that everything is sealed up and protected. To see more of exterior evaluations on this unit, click right over here. And to hear more about one of our favorite products, click right over there. I've got tons of content just like this. I hope you subscribe to us and don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you so much.